got this Peugeot 5008. This is the 2016 model. This similar process to other Peugeots. This is a 1.6 HDI automatic. I need to change the battery, which is located here. So this is one of the most intimidating looking battery changes, and awkward ones as well, because it's all the way in there. So it's a fair bit to do to get the battery out. First you got to take this off, so just take that cover off gently. This air hose is in the way, so you're gonna have to take this out. It's held in by that 10mm screw there, bolt there, so I'm gonna have to undo that, and then I have to take this thing off. Now I have to just double check whether I should take it off from there or from here, so I'm just gonna have a little play about with that, and then I'll let you know. So I've done with the air hose there, I've taken that and put it to one side, and then in terms of these, I've disconnected the bolt there, so this frees it up, and I disconnected this, but it looks like I didn't need to do that. So now I have to try and get that off, and then this connection is literally this lever, and you go like that and it comes off like so. So now I have to try somehow get that off the battery cover and then lift this all out. So I'm going to do that now. So blimey O'Reilly, that was a bit difficult, so just had to some force get it off there, and finally I've got it released, the fuse holder there, from the actual battery cover. So now I can somehow, hold on, so what I've done is I've just taken the fuse box cover off to give me a little bit more wiggle room. So you're going to see me do this live, see if this works. Try and get this out best I can. Why did they have to make it so complicated? Blimey, something's stuck. Okay, something was stuck there. Right, so I've moved that across here, and hey, you have it. Managed to get that through. See, look at this. I'm doing all of this so you don't have to take the risk when you have a go, right? So now it's a case of undoing that negative connection and then dragging this beast of a battery out, and then placing it for this one. So what I've done is, guys, when it's on the net and stuff like that, try and get the most powerful one you can, because you want, this is the one I've gone for, and make sure it's the AGM one, because this is a stop start car. As you can see, it's got 720 amp power there, 70 AH, so try and get one with as much power as possible, because there are some cheaper ones out there that don't have the power. And as you can see, EFB or AGM, get those, you're good to go. Right, I'm like the consummate pro, I've forgotten to tell you, so I'm getting that out. That's a 10mm bolt there, and there's a retaining bolt there, as you can see. There you go. Got to take that off, otherwise this battery's going nowhere. So I managed to get it out. Oh my goodness, it is a heavy old battery. If you've got a weak back or something like that, be careful. If you can get someone to help you, that'll be better. So there she is, the old one, and there's the replacement one there. Ooh. So in terms of the negative terminal, it was a little bit stiff getting out, so I had to use my little pry bar there just to help me take it out. And as you can see, I've got the retainer. That was again 10mm bolt, so that sits just there. And now the reverse of the fitting process, I'm going to drag that back in there. So let me get that in and take it from there. Okay, so with the battery in, I've already connected the negative. Now normally when you're reconnecting, you connect the positive first and then the negative, but in this instance, because the way this is set up, I have to get this cover on first before I can put the positive, and hence why you got these grab-on clips onto the positive terminal so that you don't get electrocuted basically. So that's why they do it like that. But yeah, not ideal, but that's the way it goes. So I'm just going to put that clip, retaining clip back on there, and that little bit there you can see just there, and then get that back on top of this. Let's go. So there you have it, all done, and as you can see, car's running fine and dandy, all working as it should. Oh, this was a difficult one. If you can afford to get Halfords or Quick Fit to fit it for you, then do so, but if you need to save the money, that's fine. Give you an idea of prices. So Halfords quoted £207 to come to me and fit it, and Quick Fit quoted I think £202, but using an inferior non-branded battery. But both have offered a 3-year guarantee on the battery. What I've decided to do, I went for the branded premium battery there, as you saw, the Exceed battery. That's to OE standards. That cost me £96 on eBay. Euro Car Parts were asking something stupid like 170 for the same battery. I don't know why, but Tainer batteries, I ordered it off them, came next day to my house. So there you have it. Total time taken to do this job was about 45 minutes to an hour, because I didn't know what I was doing. This is the first time I've done it, and these connections are a little bit more different than the existing videos on YouTube. So I hope that helped. Obviously for the next one, I think I can get this job done in about 20 minutes or so. So do like and subscribe, people, so that it compensates for my scratched knuckles. And see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.